Hello there, beautiful, and welcome to my channel. Happy to have you here. I recently did a straight hair hairstyles video for short hair, and I just felt like I had to do one for curly or wavy hair as well. I love experimenting with my hair, so let's see what looks we can serve today. First step is to obviously curl your hair. Now, if you already know how to do this, then you can skip to this timestamp right here. Of course, I section off my hair for an easier process, and then heat protective spray, of course, because we don't want to damage our hair. Brush all of that out so everything gets evenly distributed. So now I'm just gonna clamp it together and then rotate it halfway, and then slowly going diagonally downwards. And now when I'm about a couple of centimeters away from my ends, I'm gonna stop and leave the ends the way it is so that I can get more of a effortless and beachy wavy look. Now, the thinner the flat iron you have, the smaller the curls will be. If you want more volume, then you can curl them in different directions, such as towards your face and then away from your face. I'm going to do them all in the same directions today because I just feel like it. And the curls I'm going to be doing is away from my face. After that, if you feel like the ends are a little bit too straight, then you can curl some of them just to get more of a blended look. Our first look is very classy. I'm going to give myself a side part, trying to blend the curls on the other side by mixing them together just a little bit, so just play around with it. Then I'm clipping this side down to get more of a sleek look. Then I'm going to use clippers to hold that side down. I feel like clippers hold a little bit better than bobby pins, but you do as you wish, and you use what you have. Second look is the classic Ariana Grande ponytail, half up and half down. I'm going to put my hair up in a half ponytail. And then after I tie it, I'm going to pull it forward for some volume, of course. This is a very important step. And because I have some curtain bangs, they are sticking up a little bit. So I'm going to wrap a piece of hair around the hair tie. And then I'm going to pin it down with some bobby pins so that no short hairs will stick right up. Third look is pretty badass, if I do say so myself. Section off your hair like this, trying to make it as even as possible. You don't need that much hair to make these buns. It's actually a little bit easier to handle when it's in smaller sections. So keep that in mind if you want to recreate this look. Then I'm gonna tease the sections, and then pinning it down to the shape that I want with some bobby pins. And the first couple of times I tried this, it took a while, so you might be needing some practice doing this if you want to do it quick. Fourth look is a little bit more of a cutesy look. Now you're going to be putting your hair up into a half up, half down ponytail. So the infamous Ariana Grande ponytail we talked about earlier. Then I'm twisting the little ponytail into a little ball, and then instead of using a hair tie, I'm using some bobby pins to pin it down instead. I've done this with hair ties before, like just trying to put it all together with a hair tie, and I just feel like it's not as effective. I'm sectioning off my bangs, then I'm going to put everything up into a messy bun like this. I try to slow it down so that you guys can understand what I'm doing because I don't think I can explain this. Now you're probably thinking, why should I curl my hair and then put everything up? But trust me, it makes a huge difference. Like the messy buns just become messy buns without you doing anything. And now I'm gonna style my bangs. I have a full video on different ways you can style your curtain bangs. So if you're interested in that video, it's gonna be in the description box down below. I accidentally brushed it out, so the curl like kind of disappeared, so I'm redoing that, then just taking my fingers to separate the hair instead of using a comb. I do have hairspray on my bangs, so that's why it's sticking together like that. Now just style until you get your desired look. This last look is similar, but not quite the same. Now I'm putting everything up. Then you want to take a brush or a comb and just smoothen everything out so that you get a clean look. And then I'm going to be doing a big messy bun, but still keeping it very elegant. Now I'm going to shape the bun to my liking, so just taking small sections at a time and just pinning it down. Yeah, you can be really free to this. If you want everything in a bun or if you want some curls hanging down, that is also really pretty. So yeah, just do whatever the hell you want, you know, it's your hair. Now this part is optional. You can either leave it as it is or you can spray on some hairspray just to give it more of a sleek and clean finish. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Alright, that was all the styles for little me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now with that said, have a beautiful day, night, or whatever the case may be, and I will see your lovely faces in my next video. Bye guys!